Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make roles in Roblox Studio. First, open Roblox Studio and create a new game or open an existing one. You'll need to use scripting to define and manage player roles, as there isn't a built-in feature for this. We'll focus on creating a system that assigns and displays roles to players, enhancing your game's social structure and gameplay mechanics. This approach offers great flexibility. To begin, insert a new script into Server Script Service. This script will handle the core logic for assigning and managing roles. Inside, you'll define a table to store player data, linking each player's user ID to their specific role, such as admin or moderator. Next, create a remote event in replicated storage. This event is crucial for securely sending information about role assignments from the server to individual player clients, ensuring everyone sees the correct roles. Now let's make these roles visible. Create a screen GUI in Starter GUI, and inside it add a text label. This text label will display the player's assigned role. Then, insert a local script into the screen GUI. This script will listen for the remote event we set up earlier. When the server sends a role update, the local script will update the text label's text, making the player's role clearly visible on their screen. This provides immediate feedback. For more advanced functionality, you can implement in-game commands that allow administrators to assign or remove roles from players dynamically. You can also add permission checks throughout your game's scripts, restricting certain actions or areas to players with specific roles. This adds depth and control to your game. Remember to check the description for a link to the simple path to wealth and other great deals. This book offers valuable insights into managing your finances effectively, which can be incredibly helpful for anyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.